probably tomorrow. Started framing up today where our big bathtub's gonna be in the closets. We were having some trouble on deciding which size bathtub to put in. I got that picked out, and now they're starting to frame up that bathtub closet area in there. Today is Friday, June 23rd. I'm getting the roof decking put on the house. I'll start blackening it in after lunch. Today's Friday, June 30th. It's been a couple days since I took any pictures because it's been raining off and on all week. Men put in a fireplace last Monday, and the windows got put in yesterday afternoon. They just started putting on siding just a little while ago. Got delivered this morning. So they start putting it on. Plumber's in there now. They've already installed all the plumbing. He's in there putting in the big marble bathtub in the master bath. Everything's coming along real good. They're working on the E vents today. Carpenters are. They're getting those all put in. Doors got delivered yesterday too, so they may be installed today or tomorrow. Today is Thursday, July 6th. Carpenters came out yesterday, put up the chimney up there. Got all the windows and doors in the other day. Heating and plumbing men came yesterday. I'll take that back to heating and air. came yesterday and did all the duct work, installed the heater. Electricians started yesterday and they got finished today.
You don't break it, yeah.
No, we don't do that.
It's August 9th, 1989, and this is a hot air balloon contest being held from the state fairgrounds.